This is the new iPod Touch. It's even thinner.
What's going on, guys? This is Mike, the Detroit Borg, with a look at the new white iPod Touch.
What's up, guys? It's Lou from Unbox Therapy. Just picked up the new iPod Touch.
And this is the iPod Touch 8GB version.
Bringing you the review to the latest 4th generation iPod Touch.